Hello everyone. So let's start discussing our data handling chapter. First exercise, that's 3.1, and in this video I'll be giving you explanation of question 9. I'll just explain you how to do that. We won't go into the detail because you have to do that, and then we'll see fifth sum. All right. Why I'm doing like this? Because they are based on certain topics. So first we'll try to cover all such topics which are based on the same concept. All right, so that it becomes easy for you. So let's start understanding question 9. See here that they have given the height of 10 girls. Okay, so let me mark that. Okay, so 10 girls, right? So these numbers are 10. That's what you have to understand. So 135, 150, 139. See, this is height, okay? This is height, right? In centimeter. So these are centimeter. All right. So 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143, and 141. I can see that no data is being repeated, no number is being repeated. So I don't have to go into the detail of tabular form or anything like that, telemarks or anything. So cool. Let's just start with question 1. What they are saying is, what's the height of the tallest girl? See, when you talk about tallest, and in the very next question they again ask you the shortest. जब भी आपको tallest shortest इस तरह से data है, तो naturally the very first thing that should come in your brain is you have to arrange these data in ascending order so that it becomes easy for you to find out the highest and the lowest value. In this case, because it's height, tallest girl and shortest girl. All right. The next number is, that is third number. What is the range of the data? See, एक बार आपको tallest और shortest की value मिल गई, so it again, this finding out range of data is damn easy. So you can easily find out range of data. Then they have asked you, what is the mean height of the girls? Again, you just have to sum them up, divided by 10, because these numbers are basically of 10 girls. So number of girls are 10. So these total of these data divided by 10, that would give you answer of this question. And based on that question, that is based on fourth question, based on the answer of fourth question, you will be answering how many girls have heights more than, okay, this is very important, more than, okay, more than the mean height. तो जो भी आपकी mean value आती है उससे ज्यादा, ठीक है, उससे ज्यादा हाइट, हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स, कितनी गर्ल्स की उससे ज्यादा हाइट है, तो बस आपको वो नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं, 1 गर्ल, 2 गर्ल, 3 गर्ल्स, व्हाटएवर. तो किसकी हाइट मीन वैल्यू से ज्यादा है, उतने नंबर्स को अंडरलाइन करो, और वो हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स, सो दैट नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स यू कैन राइट डाउन. सो इस तरह से है आपका 9th क्वेश्चन. This you have to do in homework as we have discussed right now. Now let's go at 5th question, because again this is same, based on the same concept. Okay, let's understand this. The following table shows the points of player scored in points of each player. तो ये जो हैं वो points हैं जो कि player ने score किए हैं. ये आपके players हैं, player A, player B, player C. See, it's very important to understand what is given in the question. Okay, पहले तो आपको क्वेश्चन देख के ही आपको पहले तो उसको ऑब्जर्व करना है और समझना है. ये प्लेयर ए ने गेम 1 में 14 पॉइंट्स, गेम 2 में 16 पॉइंट्स, गेम 3 में 10 पॉइंट्स, गेम 4 में 10 पॉइंट्स, राइट. तो इस तरह से ये सारे पॉइंट्स हैं जो गेम 1, 2, 3, 4 के दिए हुए हैं. सो दीज आर द प्लेयर ए पॉइंट्स. ओके, then these are the player B points, that is 0, 8, 6 and 4, and these are the player C points, that is 8, 11 did not play, मतलब C ने game 3 नहीं खेला है, and 4th में 13 points है उसके. ठीक है. Now see, here in this case we are given 3 players. Okay, so we have to find out each of them. Maybe let's see what we are being asked. देखते हैं. तो find the mean to determine A's average. Okay, तो पहला क्वेश्चन हमें पूछा है A के बारे में, right? A's average number of points scored per game. मतलब पहले हमें A के एवरेज पॉइंट्स कैलकुलेट करने हैं. हमें पता है एवरेज पॉइंट कैसे कैलकुलेट करे जाते हैं. चलो अभी क्वेश्चन 1 देखा है तो हम देख ही लेते हैं इसका सॉल्यूशन. सो एवरेज पॉइंट ए के कितने होंगे? सम स्कोर्स बाय ए, तो इसका टोटल कर दू 14 प्लस 16 प्लस 10 प्लस 10, राइट? और नंबर ऑफ गेम्स प्लेड बाय ए, सी कितने ये कितने गेम्स में है? 1 गेम, 2 गेम, 3 गेम एंड 4 गेम्स, तो टोटल 4 गेम्स. ये जो टोटल है उसके पॉइंट्स का वो कितने गेम का है? 4 गेम्स का है. सो 50 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 दैट वुड गिव यू 12.5. तो फर्स्ट का आंसर इस तरह से मिल जाएगा. मीन पॉइंट्स फॉर प्लेयर ए. सेकेंड इज टू फाइंड द मीन नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स पर गेम फॉर सी. ओके, again to find mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 3 or 4? Now why that they are asking? See, 3 or 4, okay, not 47. So C ने क्या किया है? Actually एक गेम C ने नहीं खेली है, that is third game. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So total number of games he has played is 3. So naturally we would be dividing it by 3. Why would we divide it by 4? Because उसने एक गेम तो खेली ही नहीं है, third game. So they are asking is to find the mean points of C. What would you divide the total points by 3 or 4? मतलब हम 3 से divide करेंगे कि 4 से divide करेंगे? So obviously we would be dividing it by 3 because player C has not played third game, means he has played only 3 games, and so we will divide it by 3. Next, B played in all 4 games. All right, 0, 8, 6, 4. Yes, cool. So how would you find the mean? Naturally by dividing 4. It's easy. So player B का हम कैसे find out करेंगे? Mean of player B is equal to sum of scores divided by number of games. Again, sum of scores आया 18. Number of games वो खेला है 4 games, तो naturally we will divide it by 4 and your answer is 4.5. Okay? Now, who is the best performer? See, जिसके points average point ज्यादा है वो होगा best performer. Simple, right? तो अभी हमें कंपेयर करने पड़ेंगे सबके पॉइंट्स. ए के भी हमने फाइंड आउट किया, बी का ओके, सी. सो ऑलराइट, सी का हमने फाइंड आउट नहीं किया है, तो जस्ट टू कंपेयर वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट सी ऑल्सो. ए का मीन, द स्पेलिंग इज रॉन्ग, सॉरी फॉर दिस. Mean of player A is 12.5, which we have found out this. Okay, so this is 12.5. Player B 4.5. This is also we have just found out here. Player B. Player C. This we haven't found out here, so we'll find it out here. So let's find out 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 3. Why? Because C ने सिर्फ 3 गेम खेली है. 8 plus 11 plus 13 ये गेम नहीं खेली है, थर्ड वन, तो हम नहीं लिखेंगे वो. While finding out the mean score or mean points of player C, we'll add 8, 11 and 13 and we'll divide it by 3. So our answer would be 10.67. Now if you compare, you can find that 12.5 is the highest points scored by player A. So naturally, who would be the best player or who has performed well? So who is the best performer? So the best performer is your player A. So player A is your best performer because उसका जो स्कोर है, पॉइंट्स हैं, उसकी एवरेज जो स्कोर है, एवरेज पॉइंट्स है उसके, वो ज्यादा है कंपेयर टू other players B and C. So this is how we can solve this sum. Now this is your fifth sum, and now next video we'll be discussing about mode. Here we are done with the mean and range type of sums. From the next video we'll be starting explaining mode topic. All right, so till then practice this sums.